Hi guys, on my last video I talked about how to create Admob accounts. I also talked about how to create ads units and getting your account approved by updating your address, which means where you currently stay, we update like that. But today I'm talking about how to create app and implement ad units. First, you need to go to your browser, then type Thunkable, Thunkable. So then search it. So this Thunkable is a platform where anyone can build their own mobile apps available iOS and Android. So yeah, just yeah, are you following? So um login, click on login. Then you have to provide your email to log in to Thunkable so that your files, your apps created will be stored. So log in with Kaggle. So okay, now I'll log in with mine. Um, okay, are you? Yeah. So wait. So yeah, this is I successfully logged in. So um um you have to choose the classic platform. So I'm not going to talk more. I'm not going to take more time, but I'm going to make sure I give every details about creation of the app. Okay, look at it. I've logged into my own app, my own Thunkable website where I can create app, and this is the last app I created. So wait for it to load. But I'm not going to make use of this app. But just I just wanted to show you how this app is. This like this how it look out it will look like. So I'll just do like this, create app, create a new app. So enough for new. Also let me just put that as new new. So it will go to a new page like that. If you go to a new page, and yes, it will go to a new page like that. Okay, now can you see everything there is empty, like empty. So about screen. So first, so you put the name. Okay, let's just put also earning earning. So can you see the what is wrong? Okay, the phone just hung for a moment. So you, yeah, the app name new, so which is it is new. Okay, let me just put any here, any. So the background color, you can just make the background color anything. You can make it anything. So but close animation, um you can just make it as default. You can just make that as default. So default, this default, on screen, yes, everything default blue, yes. Scrollable, scrollable, make sure you click this scrollable, make sure you click this. So um make leave others empty, then fixed this sizing, make it responsive. device, screen, title, screen one. Title, I can just make it as screen one, screen one or level one, or level one. I'll just make it like that. So um so version, what, you can make your version code any, or you can just leave the version code like that. So but that's the first process. So the next process is um then click this experimental, then take the Admob banner, hold it, okay, take it, then put it here. Can you see? Like that. So you take it, then put it there, like that. Take it, then put it there, like that. Take it, then put it there. Yes, like that. So like that. So I think upload up to 10 banners. Upload up to 10 banners. Look at banner 10. So each of them, you make sure you cancel the test mode. Make sure you cancel them. Test mode, test mode, test mode, test mode. Remove the text mode, test mode, test mode, test mode, no, test mode. Sorry, test mode, test mode, test mode, test mode, test mode. So by this so you successfully done the Admob, the banner, Admob banner. So but um you have to go to the um let's see, the layout. You have to go to layout. So horizontal arrangement, put it at the middle, put it at the middle. So the horizontal arrangement view of height, check it out here, it's not automatic, change it to 2%. 2%. The horizontal arrangement one, 2%. 2%. Height, fill, what is this, height is 2%. So you see the app, the horizontal already reduced. So you do that for all the spaces. You do that for all the spaces. So you do it again, height, then 2% again. Okay, then you do it again. So you do it again. You do it again. Automatic arrangements, percent, 2%, 2%. So that's how you do it. Then you do it. So this place is the most important place. This first part, they are the most important place. So what you have to do next is to get your ad units. That's the next thing. Your ad units are the ad units that you created with your on your this thing and your Google Admob account. So let me see if I can get it here. Google Google.com. Sorry, mistake. Google Admob. Google Admob. Then yeah. So yeah. So if you go to the account straight up, sign in. You have to sign in on yeah, sign in. So whenever you sign in, it will tell you that you already have an existing account. So if you don't have existing accounts, it will tell you you cannot use uh, existing account. So this is my first account that's Google dominated. I sort of did some stuff on it. You know, like invalid activity. It was banned for invalid activity. So I have another account that I can make use of. So back, let me make sure I have signed this out because yeah, what's okay, let me just do like this. I think I have adding of someone's app that I created. So I think I have it. So um yes, okay, I think I have it. So this app I created for someone and I sent to the person. So okay, these are the add in it. This is for banner. This is for banner. So this is for banner Thunkable. Then I implement it. Yeah. Yes. So how can I okay, clipboard, yes. Let me confirm. Yes, this is the last one I did. Yeah. So so fuck. So it's because I'm using a mobile phone, and that's why it's taking me this long. You know, a lot of people don't have laptops at home, and if I speak with a computer, a laptop, it's it's harder for them to understand. So that's why I decided to use a mobile phone so that um so that um so that it will be easier for them, sure. Anyway, just please hold on, we do like this. So I have successfully implemented the add unit on the list. Can you see that? Can you see that? So I've successfully done that. For that's for the banners, for the app to be able to show banners. So this Thunkable app is used for only self clicking. So if you want to self click, so that's you create the app this way. Then when your ads display, you click on them by yourself. So and you earn money like that. But majority of us do not click. Like when I started, I don't know how to click. I just click anyhow, and that's why I got my first account banned. So I had to create another account. Anytime you get banned, you can always create another account. So but Google do ban for creating multiple accounts, but you have to create it on another mobile phone to be able to continue using Google Admob. So our next this thing is the interstitials. So these interstitials you just load it, load it, yeah, load it up to 10 too. Same thing, transistor 4 let me load 5. You can load as much as possible if you want to. So this is my interstitial add unit. So I'll copy. so copy. So add. Make sure you always click this test mode. Make sure it is not on test mode, please. So cancel. Unclick it, unclick all of them, unclick all, unclick all, unclick all, unclick all. Then you each implement each. So interstitials 4. So you implement each of them, paste, implement each of them, implement each of them. So yeah, so I'm done with that. So the next step is you click on user interface, then drag this button one, drag it to the middle. So can you see this button one? Yeah, so that's it. Then take one of the layouts. This is the horizontal arrangement, then put it like that. So let's set the horizontal arrangement first, then we'll now go for the horizontal arrangement, which is 2%, always 2%. Then we are going to go for the button one. Yes, the button one. This is the button one aspect. So the font size of the button one is what is the button one font size is 25. Put 25 there, 25. Then font bold, font bold font board. So font board. What again needs to be set? What again? Okay. All right. Height. The height is automatic and the width too is automatic. So but what will be in the bottom one? Is it bottom one or interstitials? So the correct what are right there is click here for interstitials, inter interstitials. So here for interstitials. So I think everything is good. So center one, all arrangement. So to the background color, don't let us make the background color be black. Let's make it blue. So then you go to these blocks. The next place is to go to blocks. See, blocks. So this block is sort of like telling what the app is gonna do. So button one first. So when button one click do, make sure you take this, put it here. Then call Admob interstitials. Like when you click on the button one, and it will proceed to load this which are called the interstitials. So you come on. Okay, now call interstitials add load. That's it. Yeah, like that. No, yeah, like that. So make sure it's clear. Then hold it. Then do for interstital 2. Do for interstital 3. Do for interstital 4. Do for interstital 5, which is the last one. 5. So can you see? So you successfully done this. So the next step is when screen 1 initialize, then you go back to screen 1. Screen 1. You know this is button 1. Then you go to screen 1. So screen 1. Screen 1. 1. So when screen 1, this one, yeah, this one here. So when these do, it will set clock. You go to logic, no, control. I think it is control. Where is, okay, let me see. I'm coming. Yeah, before we proceed to the screen, I forgot to add something, and it is clock. And the clock will be found at I think sensors. Yeah. So clock, add clock to it. Add clock to it. Clock 1, clock 2. Then click on clock 1. Clock 1, yeah, timer enable. Then the timer intervals. Hold on, please. So then the change this timer intervals to 7,000. 7,000. I says, yeah, 7,000. That's for clock 1. Do the same thing for clock 2. For clock 2. 7,000. 7,000. So then you go back to the block. So when screen 1 initialize, what you do is set clock. You go to clock. Look at clock. So set clock timer. What is this, for God's sake? Mistake. Sorry. Oh fuck. This is not what I want. I'm gonna delete all of them like that. I'm gonna delete everything. Oh, what can I do? Yeah guys, I can't find the option for this one, so I think we should go to the next step. Maybe when I'm done, I'm going to, so that you won't get confused. Okay, now, so when clock timer 1 do, you call admob the clock timer one is for the um um ads, like the banner. That's the clock timer one. So you click on this. That could be wrong. This thing is annoying. So you continue from 6, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, which is the last one. 10. So can you see clock 1 for banner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then clock 2 for banner 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then button 1 for interstitials 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's just as easy as that. So let's go back to the clock aspect. I don't know why the option that I really need is not there. Okay, look at it. So clock 1 time enabled, yeah, this is it. Clock 1 time enabled. No, clock 1 time enabled. Click on it. What is going on? No, I need this. Sorry. It is set clock 1 time enabled. Yeah, set clock 1 time enabled. Set. No wonder it is not going. Yeah, set clock 1 time enabled. Then do the same thing for clock 2. Okay. So let's set clock 1 time enabled. So we are going to set the clock 1 time enabled for the screen 1 initialize. So clock 1 this. So we can just do like this, then duplicate, click on duplicate. So wait, just hold on, duplicate. Wow, it's not duplicating. So okay, it's alright, it's alright. Let's see if I can do it like this. So duplicate. So why is it not duplicating? Coming, coming. Okay, if that's the case, let's just forget about getting duplicate and let's go to clock 2 immediately. So after putting the clock 1 and clock 2, then you click on the logic logic. So you choose true and put it in clock 1, then you choose false as the second. False, hold on please. False, yes, choose false as the second, then you put it there. Now the next step is the same thing that you have here, this clock 1, clock 2. You are going to put it on clock 2 timer right immediately under the clock 2 timer. So how we did it, so this is it. So we'll go to the clock again, clock 1. So for those of you that have system that makes use of system, so it will be a lot easier for you. So sorry guys, this is true. You put it like that, and you go back to clock 1, then set clock 2 and enabler, then under, I told you under clock 2, set like that, then clock 1, clock 2, clock 2, clock 2. So clock 2, the same thing, then right here, then you go to logic. Okay, let me set this. So let me edit this. So this clock 2 first goes up, then clock 1 goes on there. So this true, this, can you see it is the same thing, but you make sure this clock 2 has false and this clock 1 has 2. So logic, so these are my true and false. So and my true and false will fall under clock 2 timer do. So which is this true, false, then clock 2 will be false, then clock 1 will be true, like that. So when you are done with this, see, no error recorded. So you are you are 80%, in getting your app show ads and start earning from Google Admob. So I think I'm done with this my app. Yes, I'm okay with my app right now. Screen, yes, I'm okay with my app right now. So you just click on apps, um um okay, so sorry, import. So save apk to my computer. like this. So wait for your app to build itself. Yeah, sorry guys. Um so this is the app. So I'm done with this thing with the blocks and everything. So look at that. So that's how it will look like. So what you have to do is just export them. Export. Yeah. So building APK. So building APK 100%. So it's the app it will download. So yeah, let me just use this just once. That's download complete. You now have to install it now. So install it. So that's it. Then open. Look at it. Can you see? So click here, then that stars will show up. You know. So thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.